lid so you can see the wonderful dial on this watch. It's got red 5 minutes markers around the outside and black minute markers and lovely bold black Gothic numerals. The watch hands are very, very nice. Blue steel spade hands. You can see the second hand going round. And to set the hands, just pull the lever out from the side. It's a bit difficult doing it on video. And then the hands can be turned round. Push the lever back in. And then the watch can be round. Sorry, the watch can be wound by turning the crown round. Now to open the, to get at the movement, we have to pull the crown up, and then the moment will just swing out. It's a bit badged up, this is, I'm sorry, but I'm getting old now, so there's the absolutely wonderful movement. These railway grade watches were probably the best type of pocket watch ever made. This one's got 21 jewels, or rubies as they call them. Bunn Special. It's keeping very, very precise time. I'll just pop it back in. Try not to damage the hands in the process. Then you just push that back down again to hold it. Don't try and open the watch until you've pulled this out there, because you'll really damage it. And then we just screw the front leg back on. Anyway, there we are. There's that marvellous watch. Keeping excellent time. Thank you for looking at it. And please stay safe in these very troubled times.